The main administrative divisions of the central region of France are the Loir-et-Cher, Indre-et-Loire, and the Loiret. It takes about 1 hour to get to the city of Orléans by car, by bus, and by train. The city of Orléans is the most important city in the central region of France, and Orléans is very beautiful with picturesque streets like the Rue de la République, Rue de Bourgogne, and the Rue Royale. At the same time, the capital of the central region of France has tourist attractions such as the Cathedral of Orléans, a monument in memory of Joan of Arc, a local history museum, and elegant cafes, bars, and restaurants.